And hello there, and welcome to the 39th episode of the Daily Shed. And today I want to talk a bit about Sultans of Swing. I just found out that Dire Straits is being inducted in the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame, which I think is way overdue. They were an amazing band with amazing songs and great guitar playing. And Sultans of Swing I think is notable because it was the first song that I'm aware of that's like a fingerstyle electric tune that became a really big hit. Jeff Beck was a fingerstyle player, of course, but I don't think he ever had a hit on the order of Sultans of Swing, or Money for Nothing, for that matter. But Sultans of Swing is really an epic because it's such a signature riff, and on clean guitar it's almost like an acoustic sound. So I just wanted to show a couple of those riffs. They're not super tricky, but especially with keeping a rhythm and bass going, they're a nice bit of work and a great riff to know. So starting out from the beginning, something that he does a lot is arpeggiating through. I'll just start in the beginning. I'm doing a backbeat here. That's one of maybe the first things you recognize. So from the intro of the song, just going between A minor and G, then this little riff. Okay, I'm just going through a G6 there. So that arpeggiating quickly is a real nice technique. It's a bit of a flourish to have. There's also a lot of hammer-ons and pull-offs throughout the song. So the verses, I won't go through the verses, but they're just A minor, G, F, E major are the verses. And then the next really recognizable, really signature part of this song is probably right before the chorus. We are the Sultans. Okay, so that's just F to G. You can play it in a bar chord if you want to, on the G string and the A string. And if you're doing the bass note too, I usually do it with my thumb. Just that slide, and then you get to the chorus, which is the really signature riff, of course. Okay, that's just an A minor. Off. Actually, you're picking off there on the B string. Okay, and I'm using my thumb. You can do a bar chord. So again, A minor, pull off on the B string, and then playing this A on the G string. Then hitting that C on the B string. Sort of this suspension is basically a C over G. That's really a signature riff. Yep, that's basically, to me that's like kind of the heart of the song, those things. And then at the end, during the solo, there's the riff that everyone waits the whole song for. I just thought I'd show that to you. Okay, it's okay, that's how it is kind of at tempo, but you're basically on the 5th string, on the B and E strings, you're barring at the 5th fret, those two, and then pulling off from the 8th fret on the E string. And then, so pulling off, and then playing on the B string. So on the E, pick, pull, and then playing the B. And then you're hammering on at the 8th fret again on the E string before hitting it again. So hammer and pick. That's it. And then again, same thing, but now you're playing the F on the B string on the 6th fret. Same thing again. Pull on the 8th fret, pull off, or pick on the 8th fret, pull off, then picking on the B string, the 6th fret. hammer, pick, pick and pull. So then just sliding the whole thing up 2 frets. So same thing again, pull off. So the whole thing is. And the bass line is changing beneath you. If you're doing it fingerstyle, actually you're going to the F there. So I'm playing the F here on the 8th fret. Then you can use the open G. Then I throw in this E. It's not actually in the original song, but it's in the same key and it works. So I'm doing. Yeah, but the main thing is the top notes. Especially if you're playing with a band. The most important thing is that hammer on, making sure that's as loud as the rest. Yep. So those are basically the important parts of the song. Those are sort of the key riffs. It's a nice challenge and just a great tune to have under your fingertips. So hope it's fun and useful to you. As always, thank you so much for watching.